Korea, leader in digital X-ray system, has joined hands with Unicorn Denmark Limited to bring to you an advanced digital OPG system with PAPAYA CUST feature. PAPAYA with Cubical semi-tomography, which is CUST, provides accurate tomographic cross-sectional information for diagnosis, implant planning, and follow-up of implants. It can also be used for accurate measurement of dimension of lesions and planning of surgical procedures. When planning implant, CUST image helps understanding the jaw structures with sectional images. CUST image is economical as compared to expensive CBCT scan. The PAPAYA OPG offers Panoramic Imaging, Sinus and TMJ view, variable focal trough, latest face-to-face positioning fit each individual's jaw shape, voice support system, wheelchair accessible, advanced CMOS sensor with flow stand, thus providing a unique opportunity for those who are looking for economical version of CBCT, where the CUST feature enables the implant planning with sectional image of the jaw. So, you get multiple advantages in a single OPG machine coming with unconditional warranty of 4 years.